so long ago, so long. This is not where I belong. So I wait for the shallow itch to pass. I took a wrong turn 1,000 miles back, but I let it go so long ago. I threw away the map. I should've known where I was going, and I should know where I am. It's a different place, a different face, a different name. I left in the dead of the new moon's veil. I clung to the side of the camouflage trail. I was over the river before the sky was awake. I've kept my ear pressed to the transistor radio. This station is all I have left from my little home. I don't wanna leave, but this sorrow was all I could take. A staticky voice through the crackling speaker has followed me all the way here. The longer I go, we both will get weaker till one of us just disappears. I don't wanna go, but my duty is stronger than fear. I worked 20 years without nothing to show, so I left behind everything that I've known, in the hope that my family won't need to go hungry again. They stopped me the last time I tried this migration. I'm the overflow man in this melting pot nation. The only thing here in this desert is northerly wind. And I'm not really sure where the oxygen. I saw you drowning in a paper cup, and I just watched as you went down. You didn't seem to know which way was up. You just watched the world go around. The water swirled and it tugged at your feet, your little private hurricane. And as you teetered on the edge of defeat, I could almost hear you calling. I took some bread to him today. He was awake, but he wouldn't take it. He's getting frailer every day. Tied to the chair under the stairs. Lean back and swallow the key to your heart. You're hiding in your shallow skin, and you're never gonna let me in. You've had a parachute on from the start. I know you wanna break your fall. Your secret's out, but you don't wanna know what it was all about. Oh, oh. You close your eyes, you are warm and wrapped inside of your disguise. Oh. Gray snow falling on your window. The lights are out, the shades are down. He's got his scepter and his crown. He's waking. Don't let me take too long here. I've got a lot of things to do. These days are passing by me. I'm staring blindly at the view. I woke up one day older, just like 10,000 days. No one hears them, only you. The voices never speak in the light. Yeah, they're in the corner, out of sight. Whispers and the creeping little shivers, and they're sleeping till the sun burns out. And then they're gonna scream and shout. Hold your breath and count to 10. Remember that I was a soldier boy in the twilight of my youth, when I still could feel love and a trust in above for the truth. I fought with bravery, then I left my gun behind. But the misery I've seen never wiped itself clean from my